Solve 2x squared equals 32. This is a quadratic equation, so we'll use the principle of zero products to solve, and we need to have a zero on one side of the equation in order to use this. So let's subtract 32 from both sides of the equation, and we have 2x squared minus 32 equals 0. Now we factor. First of all, there's a common factor. I factor out a 2. I have 2 times x squared minus 16 equals 0. And then I factor x squared minus 16. It's a difference of squares, so it factors as x plus 4 times x minus 4. Now that this is factored, I can set each factor equal to 0. 2 can't equal to 0, so I don't use that one. There's no variable there. I use the factor x plus 4, so x plus 4 equals 0, or the other factor, x minus 4 equals 0. Solving, I have x equals negative 4, or x equals 4. Putting both of those back in the original equation, I find that they both check, so I can state that the solutions are negative 4 and 4.